How to change App Store country to Canada. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily change your App Store country to Canada. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the App Store on your iPhone. And once you have opened the App Store, simply tap on your profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. Now next, from the pop-up menu, simply tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. And then tap country/region and then choose change country or region. Now you will see a list of countries. So simply scroll down and find Canada. And once you have located it, simply tap on it. And now you just have to tap on agree to accept the terms and conditions. And after tapping on that, you will be prompted to the next page. So here, if you have a credit card, simply enter your payment details, but if not, you can select none and proceed. And after that, you need to enter an address in Canada. You can use any valid address such as street name, postcodes, and city. For example, I'll use random postcode and select Alberta for the province. And once you have entered all the details in the billing address, you can simply tap on next shown in the top right corner of the screen. And after tapping on that, your App Store country will be changed to Canada. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.